The budgerigar, commonly known as the budgie or parakeet, is one of the most beloved pet birds worldwide. Originally native to Australia, these small, colorful parrots have been cherished as pets for centuries. Their bright plumage, playful demeanor, and impressive ability to mimic human speech make them unique and delightful companions. In this script, we will explore the key characteristics of budgerigars, including their physical traits, behavior, diet, care requirements, and health considerations, to help you better understand these captivating birds. Budgerigars are small birds, typically measuring about 6 to 8 inches, 15 to 20 centimeters, in length from the tip of their beak to the end of their tail feathers. They have slim bodies, long, tapering tails, and slightly curved beaks. One of their most distinctive features is their vibrant plumage. In the wild, budgerigars are usually bright green on their chests and underbellies, with yellow heads and black scalloped markings on their backs and wings. This coloration helps them blend into the foliage of their natural habitat, providing effective camouflage against predators. However, through selective breeding, domesticated budgerigars come in an incredible variety of colors and patterns. You might find budgies in hues of blue, yellow, white, violet, and even gray, with different patterns such as pied, spangled, or opaline. The color and pattern diversity add to their appeal as pets, offering enthusiasts endless choices. A unique feature of budgerigars is their cere, the fleshy, slightly swollen area above the beak, which surrounds the nostrils. In adult males, the cere is typically blue, while in females, it is usually brown or beige. This distinction becomes more evident during the breeding season when the cere changes color due to hormonal influences. Budgerigars are highly social, intelligent, and curious birds. They are known for their playful behavior and enjoy interacting with their environment, toys, and human companions. One of the most fascinating aspects of budgerigars is their ability to mimic sounds, including human speech. With patience and consistent training, a budgerigar can learn to say a wide range of words and phrases, making them entertaining and engaging pets. In the wild, budgerigars live in large flocks, which helps them stay safe from predators and find food more easily. This social nature carries over to domesticated budgies, who thrive on companionship. A solitary budgie may become lonely or depressed without enough social interaction. Therefore, it's often recommended to keep budgerigars in pairs or groups to keep them happy and mentally stimulated. Budgerigars are also known for their playful antics. They enjoy climbing, swinging, and playing with various toys, such as bells, ladders, and mirrors. A balanced diet is essential for the health and longevity of a budgerigar. In their natural habitat, budgerigars primarily feed on grass seeds, grains, fruits, and vegetables. Budgerigars are naturally clean birds and enjoy bathing, so providing a shallow dish of water or a bird bath inside the cage will encourage them to keep their feathers in good condition. Budgerigars are delightful pets with colorful personalities and beautiful plumage. They are highly social, intelligent, and require mental and physical stimulation to thrive. With proper care, a balanced diet, and a safe, enriched environment, these charming birds can live a long and healthy life, bringing joy and companionship to their owners. Whether you're an experienced bird keeper or considering your first feathered friend, budgerigars make a wonderful choice for any bird lover.